The platform offers a comprehensive task and dispatch feature right out of the box. In the screen designer, process steps are used to determine the workflow. Workflows may be set up to be linear and with predetermined recipients, or completely dynamic and assigned based on user choice or conditions. A suite of tools are available to admins in the web portal. This includes a task manager under current tasks, where all information is stored about every task, whether they are in progress or have been completed. There are various ways to view tasks, including a table view, calendar, and map. Some tasks repeat on a schedule such as weekly, monthly, semi-annually, annually, and so on. The recurring tasks feature enables you to configure these tasks with minimal effort. Finally, task templates. There may be some tasks that are sent out quite frequently, but don't necessarily follow any predetermined schedule. Task templates enable you to create a task once and leave it up to an admin or form to determine when the task is sent.